How to fix missing Calibrate touchscreen on Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Simply you need to run hardware repair command. For that, click search icon at bottom left corner and then search for CMD. On the result page, you will see command prompt. So you need to click on open or you can run as administrator as well. Once this command prompt window appears on your device, you simply need to enter the command shown on the screen. You can easily copy and paste it on this command box by clicking on or pressing Ctrl V. Now press enter, and after that this will troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. You can easily click on the next to detect and fix the issues. You need to wait until the problems has been detected. If there is any problems, you can easily troubleshoot on your window. Once you're done with that, you need to follow the next step, that is you can take Device Manager. For that, right click on the start icon. Select Device Manager option. Once the window opens of Device Manager, you need to locate Human Interface Devices. Once you have located it, you need to simply expand Human Interface Devices. And here you will get the different device option. You simply need to locate HID compliant touchscreen. If you have got that option, you simply need to right click on it and choose disable device, then enable the device. Currently there is no such option. So if you have, you can do and follow the process to fix your issue. Lastly, you need to restart to ensure the changes takes effect and check if the touchscreen calibration option is restored. And I hope this guide will help you. Let us know in the comment if there is any queries of you. So that's it. I hope this guide helped you. Thank you for watching. And if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell for more updates.